If VLC is not playing your videos properly, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few quick and effective fixes you can try right away. These steps are simple, safe, and work for a lot of common playback problems, including videos that won't start, audio without video, stuttering, or even a black screen. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software fixes just like this. First, open VLC Media Player on your computer. Once VLC is open, go to the top menu and click Help. Then choose Check for Updates. If there is an update available, install it right away. Updates often include bug fixes and playback improvements, so this is always the best place to start. After the update finishes, restart VLC completely so the new changes can take effect. Next, if VLC still is not playing correctly, go back to the top menu and click Tools, then Preferences. In the Preferences window, click Input Flag Codecs. Here, look for the setting called Hardware Accelerated Decoding. Change this setting to Disable. This is a very common fix because hardware acceleration can sometimes cause playback issues depending on your graphics driver or system settings. After changing it, click Save. Now close VLC and open it again, then test your video playback one more time. If VLC opens but you only see a black screen, there is another setting you should try. Go back to Tools, then Preferences again. This time, click the Video section, find the Output option, and change it to Automatic. This allows VLC to choose the best video output mode for your system. Once you've made that change, click Save and restart VLC again. Then try playing the video to see if the black screen issue is gone. If the problem still continues after that, there is one final fix that often solves deeper configuration issues. Open Tools, click Preferences, and look for the option to reset preferences. Select it, confirm the reset, and then restart VLC one more time. Resetting preferences puts VLC back to its default settings, which can fix problems caused by a bad configuration or an incorrect setting you changed earlier. After the restart, test your video again and see if it now plays normally. In most cases, one of these three fixes will solve the issue. Updating VLC, disabling hardware accelerated decoding, changing the video output to automatic, or resetting preferences. So if VLC is not playing properly on your device, follow these steps in order and you should be back to smooth playback in just a few minutes. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.